Bioinformatics is powering the future of medicine, from genomics and personalised healthcare to AI-driven breakthroughs that transform how we treat disease. With a Master in Bioinformatics at Monash, you'll be at the forefront of biological data analysis.
So it's taking all types of data, be it from genomics, proteomics, transcriptomics, and trying to find the really interesting pieces of information hidden amongst the vast amount of data that can now be generated.
You'll also use AI and machine learning to speed up biotech and pharmaceutical research, cutting both time and cost in discovery. You'll help create a system-level picture of health and disease, informing smarter science, policy and patient care. You'll learn from award-winning educators and develop skills that underpin world-leading research, healthcare, biotech, pharmacy and consulting.
The students will be taught kind of the cutting-edge technologies and what will be happening in the next 5 to 10 years. So the students will be, upon completion, will be really well positioned to enter into the workforce.
Skilled bioinformaticians are highly sought after and among the top earners in biomedical science. Future-proof your career with a Master of Bioinformatics at Monash.